Welcome to the assignment section for the Diploma in Thermal Insulation course. This video tutorial will explain the 4 assignments you need to complete and submit to the Institute for Evaluation. It is important to note that your final exam success is determined by the assignment score you obtain after submission. Therefore, we recommend that you thoroughly study the course modules and resources provided with the course, as well as carefully answer the given questions in each assignment. The screen you're currently on contains the assignments that you'll need to download, answer, and then upload the scanned copies to the LMS or email to training@iogs.org. The assignments must be submitted within a year after enrolling in the course and before taking the final exam. When you download and view the assignments, you will see their title and number, as well as important information and guidance for completing them. Before answering an assignment, make sure you write your full name and enrollment number in the designated section. The first assignment consists of 18 multiple-choice questions. In this assignment, each question presents 4 available options, and you are required to select and circle the most suitable option related to answering the question. The second assignment includes 15 questions, divided into 2 parts, Part 1 and Part 2. The first part is arranged in numerical order, while the second part is organized alphabetically. For this assignment, please choose the answer for Part 1 from Part 2 and type the corresponding letters in the answer sections, instead of writing a paragraph or text. The third assignment is titled Specification Review. This assignment requires you to review a 28-page specification from Petrof Energy entitled TIS-10 and answer 15 questions based on what you've learned. You should make sure to answer the questions in Assignment 3 based solely on the Petrof Energy specification, excluding references from the book or other resources, as well as provide the applicable paragraph in the place indicated in the assignment sheet. The final assignment you have is Assignment 4, which includes 15 descriptive questions. To answer these questions, you may refer to the book and other resources. This assignment allows for both short and long answers. You can select from the provided options to write the answer to a question. If you believe that your answer will exceed the space available on the assignment sheet, please use a separate sheet. Ensure to indicate the assignment number, question number, your name, and enrollment number on this additional sheet before submitting it alongside the assignment for evaluation. We trust this video tutorial has provided clarity on how to write and submit the 4 assignments for the Diploma in Thermal Insulation course. If you have any additional questions or inquiries regarding the assignment, please feel free to reach out to us through one of the options available on the screen.